Today we're going to learn how to paint the Necron Power Weapons for the Necron Overlord.
That the entirety of the cosmos is accessible through each and every individual's mind, connecting to the great mind, the great spirit.
Welcome back to the channel, collectors. So, in a previous video right here, you've seen me do the Necron Power Weapon with the pre-shading method. Right now, today, we're going to do a little bit more blending, and I'm going to show you guys how to paint the Necron Power Weapon on the Necron Overlord. I'm going to be using some new paints such as fluorescence, and you guys should check them out. Alright, if you're ready, so let us begin. Alright, so today we're going to learn how to paint the Necron Power Weapon. Okay? So on this Necron Overlord, I want the power weapon to really stand out. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to be creating a really cool colored power weapon. So this Necron Power Weapon will contrast against the rest of the miniature because by nature, I'll be using all cool colors. Right now I'm using black, blue from Chimera and a little bit of green FX from and this allows the fluorescent to stand out a lot more and it's a lot easier to apply. At this stage, you want to be pulling the highlights towards the strongest highlight so that you create a nice transition. So as you guys can see, by adding layer upon layer, the middle area is a lot more opaque and it allows the miniature to look a lot more smooth. Now by using almost pure ivory, we're going to place the extreme highlight. At this stage, it's going to be a little bit stark, but it's fine. This ivory was also mixed in with a little bit of scale 75 fluorescent. So now going back to the dark base color, what we're going to do is we're going to be using this base color to clean up the edges. As with power weapons, you want to make sure that the edges are as sharp and clean as possible. So I'm just going to clean up this edge here. One tip that I can give you is you can also go through the ridges to make sure that anything that's recessed stands out in this stage. Right now I'm going to be using white, Chimera white. White is going to be used super duper sparingly, only to create areas of interest. So just lining some of the edges, just a touch of white. And do take note that these steps can also be used to create the wires and the glowing internals of the Necron Overlord. So we're just going through the edge highlighting and this is the final result. And you can look at it on the Necron Overlord when it's finished. So I hope you found this video useful. And yeah, do share with us how you painted your own Necrons. So which method do you prefer? Do you prefer today's method or do you prefer the previous method which I've shown before? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, in this diorama we will be continuing and progressing more and more, and the next videos will be showing the reanimator and how I painted the metals on the reanimator. If you're excited, let me know what you're doing with Necrons and let me know how you're painting your Necrons in the comments below, because I'm really excited and I really want to see how you are approaching this Necron project. Alright? So if you want to see my thoughts and processes of how I create this diorama, do head on to our Patreon channel as I'm creating a comprehensive tutorial on how I plan, think and create dioramas. Alright? I'd like to thank my patrons for supporting me during this time and I hope to catch you guys really soon. See you in the next video.